So as you can see guys, the project is working perfectly fine. As you can see, hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech 100 guys. So guys, in today's video we want to make 12 volts LED lights using these LEDs, this 4 LED. So we are going to remove it, and here is our capacitor, 35 volts 330 UF. So follow up guys. So guys, we want to test our LED lights to know before we can proceed. So this is our battery, 3.7 volt battery guys. So as you can see, guys, it is working, and this is our positive. In the polarity, so guys, as you can see, our project has been completed. So this is positive input, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, and this will be our negative input, and this will be our positive input guys. So we are going to series it. So this is for the negative input, positive input. So we have to series our wire like this. So guys, as you can see, we have made use of these wires in series, as you can see. So I adjust the wire so that it can look much pretty, as you can see guys. So this is 12 volt LED lights. This is our positive input, and here's the negative input guys. So we are going to test it now. So we are putting a capacitor of 35 volts 330 UF to it parallel, so like this guys. So this is our capacitor guys. Here's for the positive, and here's the negative. So like I said, this is positive wire, and here's the negative wire. So we are putting it like this. So we want it to enter this place. So to the positive wire, positive and negative guys. As you can see, negative like this, positive. So guys, as you can see, our project has been completed. This is the negative, and here is the positive, and the capacitor was connected parallel. As you can see, this is negative, and this is it here, and here is the positive input. So we are going to test it now with a 12-volt battery and see if it is working, guys. So guys, here's the battery we are using, and I make it in series. So we have almost 12 volt to 13 volt, guys. So this is the positive, and here's the negative was connected to the multimeter. As you can see, this is our multimeter, guys. So this is the red lead. So once I put it here, guys, we have 12 points something, guys. Let me connect it very well. 12.40 something. So we are using this battery to test our project, as you can see, guys. So we are going to test it now. So right now, guys, we want to test our project, and this is the battery we are using. The former battery is not working fine, guys, so I have to choose another battery. So we are having 11 volts battery now, guys. So this is the positive, and here is the negative, guys. As you can see, our project is working. Let me off it. As you can see, guys, it is working. This is 11-volt battery. I made it in series, not the real 12 volt, guys. It's just 11 volts. The battery is shaking, as you can see. So please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you. So as you can see, guys, the project is working perfectly fine. As you can see, very bright. This is the minus, this is the positive. This is 12 volts.